Hi Montclair Robotics fans. Welcome to our new series, Business 101, where we share what our business division does and some tips and tricks that we've learned along the way. Hi everyone, welcome to Montclair Robotics' Business 101. Our first topic is uniform and merch design. So our first question is, what do you even design on? Our team uses Canva. We really love it because it's free, it is not blocked on our school Chromebooks, and it's very beginner friendly. There are other design software programs available like Adobe, but that's more like intermediate. It's a little harder to work with. There's also Canva Pro, which does have more features. It is a little better, but we persevere without it, so you can too. Now for the key aspects that you should have on your design. Number one, we think that you should have your number really big on your shirt. Your number is on your robot, so it's a really easy way to identify people at competitions, like even easier than having your name. So we think that you should make your numbers really big so you can even see them from like the top of the bleachers. Number two is your name. That's also some pretty important information. It doesn't have to be as big as your number, but still big enough and legible for people to see it. Number three, your logo. It could be a picture of a mascot or whatever you really want. It's just a fun addition and adds some more character to your designs. Number four is your sponsors. We like to have them on the back of our shirt. Most teams do that. We also have sponsorship tiers, so certain, once you've hit a certain threshold for your donations, you get the perk of being on the back of our shirt. Another tip is we also like to have our logos of our sponsors very uniform, so we keep them all in like white to keep the shirt looking uniform. The next part is your format. The format is totally up to you. I recommend just going on Canva or whatever design software you choose and just playing around. Even if it looks stupid or you think it's going to look stupid, I think you should do it anyway because maybe it could lead you to your next great idea. Generally, we have our logo on the front, we have our name and our team number, and then we have our big number, as we should, on the back, our name and our sponsors. Other teams, sometimes they have a big logo on the front, sponsors on the back. It's really up to you, whatever you want. This is your time to be creative. And now for some tips and tricks that we have collected over our many years with this team. So we do this little thing where we design a new uniform every single year. We like to do it to just mix it up, have a new fresh design, but we try to keep to our branding, so try to do that. Other teams keep the same shirt design every single year because it's that great and they love it that much. It also can be a little cheaper, which is a bonus. We just like to mix it up so our t-shirt is unique and new every single year, and by the time you graduate, you'll have a great collection of Montclair Robotics t-shirts. Also, if you really feel like it and you have some really great artists on your team, a lot of teams draw new designs every year and they look really great, so that's another idea to try. Also, another tip, this is my favorite tip, I'm going to emphasize this again, just try some random stuff with Canva or whatever you're drawing, because I find that's how you get your best ideas, just doing random stuff, and it'll lead you to somewhere even better. And the last thing, please, please, please make it legible. I do not want to see pale yellow writing on a white t-shirt. I'm sorry, I love you, but I'm not going to sacrifice my 2020 vision for you. Please make it legible. We love to know who you are when we're at competition, and t-shirts are the best way to identify people then. In addition to uniforms, you can also make merch. It's a great way to make some extra money. We make new designs in the fall and early winter, so it's ready for the holiday season. Members, family members, and anybody can buy them just to show their support for our team. This is where you can make a bunch of fun designs. We have socks, baseball hats, hoodies, sweatpants, mugs, really anything you could think of. And it's another great way to make some more money and show team spirit. We hope you learned something new about uniform and merch design, and we can't wait to see your amazing designs at competition this year. Love, Montclair Robotics Business.